When finding a family home in Mosman, one of the most sought after buyer briefs we receive is a search for high caliber finishes with a generous, flexible floor plan, which also gives endless space for the growing family. Welcome to 45 Shadforth Street in Mosman, which has absolutely nailed the brief when it comes to family living. Hi, my name's Daniel Boddam, proudly representing Pello. Let's go look through this beautiful home. Stepping into this home, you were met with beautiful high ceilings, period features, as well as hardwood floors throughout. Moving through the home, you will find a huge open plan space at the rear of the property, flowing into an incredible kitchen. The kitchen for this property is second to none, with preferred Wolf appliances, stainless steel and marble bench tops, as well as a sub-zero fridge and endless storage options. Something that's incredible about this home, and what I know that buyers are going to absolutely love, has to be this rear open plan space with a seamless indoor-outdoor flow connecting the casual dining, living and kitchen area, all flowing out to a level lawn and pool. It is just perfect for the growing family. Moving outside, you will find a level rear yard, endless space for all year entertaining, as well as an in-ground heated swimming pool. The accommodation for this property is overly generous across 5 well-appointed bedrooms. The master is located in its own separate quarters with a walk-in dressing room, luxury ensuite, and endless natural light. The other 3 bedrooms are ideally located on the ground level, serviced by 2 separate bathrooms with high-quality finishes. The 5th bedroom is positioned off its own rumpus area on the lower level, which is incredible for guest or in-law accommodation. In addition to the open plan space at the rear of the home, the downstairs rumpus, you will also find a formal lounge at the front of the property, across from the ideal work from home office and space. This area could also double for a 6th bedroom. Other features include a selection of marble fireplaces, a full-size cellar, as well as a designer staircase to all levels. The location for this property is superb, with an easy stroll to parks, shops, cafes, regular government transport, as well as popular schools and everything else you want for that growing family lifestyle. After walking through this amazing home, you can really feel it ticks all the boxes when it comes to an incredible life. If there's any questions, or if you would like to book a private viewing for your family, please give me a call. If not, we will see you at the next inspection.